How to create trending reels with Reelshot. Want to create trending reels that get noticed? Here's how to make trending videos with Reelshot. Start by selecting a popular audio track from the Reelshot library or import trending music. Plan your video with catchy clips and fast-paced cuts to keep viewers engaged. Use trendy effects, filters, or transitions to add style. Add relevant hashtags and captions in the text section to boost reach. Preview your reel to ensure smooth flow and export in SD. Share it directly to Instagram or save to upload later. Have you created a trending reel in Reelshot? Share your secrets in the comments below. Check Instagram's Explore page to spot current trends and replicate them creatively. And that's how you can create trending reels with Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.